Myself, Mrs. Subi Basil. Topic: Orthopedic device. Part 2: Crutches. A long stick with a cross piece at the top, used as a support under the armpit by a lame person. Crutch is a long stick with a cross piece at the top, and it is used for the support by a lame person, and it is keeping under the armpit. Who is a lame person? Lame person means those who cannot able to walk alone. Crutches may be a temporary need for some clients and a permanent one for others. It may be temporary need for some patients and permanent for other ones. In crutch walking, the client's weight is borne by the muscles of the shoulder girdle and the upper extremities. In crutch walking, muscles of shoulder girdle and upper extremities are controlling the weight of the patient. Need more stability than a cane but less than a walker. It needs more stability than a cane and needs less stability than a walker. When patient has good upper body strength and standing balance. That means it can use when the patient has good upper body strength and has standing balance. Fifth, when patient has good coordination. Means good coordination is need to use crutch. Types of crutches. First, axillary crutches. Second, forearm crutches. Third, platform crutches. First, axillary crutches. Generally prescribed when duration of use is short. Wood or aluminium with rubber suction tip. Adjustable. It is using mainly when duration is short, and it is made by wood or aluminium with rubber suction tip, and it is adjustable. These are axillary crutches. Advantages of axillary crutches. First, provide lateral stability. That means it helps to provide a lateral stability. Second, generally the easiest of crutches. Its use is very easier than other types. Third, improves balance. Fourth, reduce or completely eliminates stress on weight joints by transferring weight bearing normally performed by the legs, ankles and or feet to the arm, hand and shoulders. That means it reduces the stress on the weight bearing joints and legs, ankles, feet, arm, hand and shoulder. Disadvantages of axillary crutches. First, poor posture. Second, potential for radial nerve damage if pressure is applied to the axilla area during ambulation. That means there is a chance of radial nerve damage because we are applying pressure to the axilla during ambulation. Third, needs enough upper body strength to support their body weight. That means upper body strength is needed while using crutches because upper body is supporting their body weight. Fourth, place a great deal of strain on the wrist and hands. It gives more strain on the wrist and hands. Second, forearm crutches. Allows for transfer of 40 to 50% of body weight through the forearm and down to the floor. Simply, half of our body weight is balanced by forearm instead of legs. Greater control over movement and allows for different gaits for different terrain. That means by using forearm crutches, the patient gets control over his movement and can walk without any fear anywhere. Forearm cuff adjustment is at proximal end of crutch. Height adjustment is at distal end. Means cuff is at the proximal end and height adjustment is at the distal end. Generally prescribed when duration of use is long term. It is normally prescribed when duration is long. These are forearm crutches and we can see the top part is called cuff. Advantages of forearm crutches. First, cuff helps some of the pressure of the wrist when ambulating. That means the cuff will take off the pressure of the wrist when ambulating. Second, tends to maintain correct posture. It helps to maintain correct posture. Third, generally more comfortable. Means it gives more comfortable than others. Fourth, may release grip without dropping crutch. In the forearm crutch, cuff is there, so it give a grip without dropping the crutch. Fifth, more cosmetic. Sixth, allows functional stair climbing. It helps to climb stair more easier. Disadvantages of forearm crutches. First, needs good upper extremity strength. If we want to use crutches, then it needs good upper extremity strength. Second, needs more stability and balance. It needs more stability and balance of the body. Third, decreases lateral support. It decreases the lateral support. Fourth, difficult to release the cuff while falling. While falling, cuff may be difficult to release. Third, platform crutches. In platform crutches, top portion shows platform and grip. When it is contraindicated to bear weight through hands or wrist. That means it is contraindicated if the patient cannot take weight through hands and wrist. Patient needs or want more freedom of movement. In this, the freedom of movement is limited. This is a platform crutch and in this picture we can see the patient's hand is resting on the platform. Advantages of platform crutches. Patient's body weight is borne mostly by the forearm instead of by the hand. The main advantage is in this the patient's body weight is controlled by forearm. Disadvantages of platform crutches. First, requires more stability and balance. Second, more expensive. Third, generally harder to learn how to use.